Boop boop doop boop, Unity 2020. Let's boot it up. Gonna make a new project right here. Let's call it APK 2020. It's gonna load for a little while. I hope your computer is fast. I guess I'll create a little something so we can interact with anything at all. Just gonna make it react to when I click on the thing. Forgot to add a rigid body. Disable gravity and drag in the script. Test play it. And it works. It works. Let's build it for Android. In the build settings, I'm gonna go to Android and no Android module loaded. Alright, I don't want to use the download page. Instead, I'm gonna use Unity Hub. Let's go to installs, click on 2020, and now we're gonna click on this context menu, add modules, Android build support, let's check that, but also everything inside of it. Next, next, next. Now we gotta wait for the blue bars to finish. This might take a few minutes of our life. It is done. We can double check in add modules. Yes. The project is still open, but if we try to build, it will not understand. Close the project, save the changes, open it up again. Now maybe, just maybe, we can build settings and go to Android. Yes, it works. Now, did you connect a device? Then you should select it here. Just press switch platform and wait for a bit. And already it's time to press build and run. Let's just name this test.apk and save. Oh, but is your device not responding? Then go to developer option settings. Make sure USB debugging is enabled and try again. Now accept on the phone. It asks for permission, and at last it starts to compile. Go away, Java, you don't need this permission. It is nearly done, done, done. It is done, done, done. It is starting, ting. Will it work, work, work? I hope so, so, so. Oh, it runs, and it works, and it works, and it reacts. Give a like, give a subscribe, if you think there will be more useful stuff for you. Until next time, ciao.